here's my England Madison stove, and I'm going to show you what I think is one of the better fire starting methods for these stoves. Is, for lack of a better term, I'll call it the triple stack method. But basically you stack row on the bottom, and another one on top of that, and another one on top of that if you've got room, and then your kindling on top to get your kindling as close to the flue as possible. And then you get it lit, and it lessens the smoke problem because it's close, you know, up higher towards the flue. And then it also keeps the heat up there to help the flue get hotter quicker and draft better quicker. And as this burns, the coals and embers from the kindling up top drop down onto the bigger logs as they go and on down. And it really seems to be a lot better method to me than starting out with a small kindling on the bottom and then trying to add larger logs on top of that. So I've been pretty pleased with how this works so far. See there where it's starting to take off. Pretty decent. And I do have the door just slightly cracked open. Get a little more oxygen flowing through there. Here you can see how some of the embers have started to fall down on that second level and started on fire. And it just kind of goes from there. This isn't the best stack that I've made, but you get the general idea. It's just now starting to take off again. It was going pretty good on top and then kind of weakened, which usually it doesn't do. But anyway, there's been virtually zero smoke that's come into my room, whereas when I started down the bottom, it seems like I generally get some smoke. So in my opinion, this is definitely less smoky. Anyway, give it a whirl. I've been happy with it. Take care and happy prepping.